Hey guys, good evening! Tonight, I'm gonna be showing you how I cook my ginataang munggo. That's right. Ginataang munggo tonight. It's Filipino food, Filipino delicacy. And I'm gonna put this dalag, isang dalag, ito yung dalag. And we call this in Maguindanaon, pangos. Haha, that's right. And here are the munggo. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng munggo. And malunggay, moringa is very healthy for you. And you can add also chili, daon ng chili. That's right. Daon ng chili is very healthy rin. And 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 cups of water, extra water from coconut milk. Nabubulol na ako. And siyempre, patis, fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. That's right. Yan ang aking salt. And also the garlic chop, ginger chop, onion chop, and 1 chicken cube stock para malasa. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng chicken whole cubes. And 2 chili haba and lemongrass. 1 stick of lemongrass. But if you don't have this dalag, tuyong dalag, or fish morel, you can substitute with chicken. Kids love the chicken. But tonight, I'm gonna put this dalag. The tuyong dalag. That's right. Kasi namimiss ko na ang tuyong dalag. That's why I put that chicken cubes in there para malasang chicken din. And let's get started to cooking. I'm gonna use extra virgin oil, olive oil. Paubos na rin siya, but I have extra. And you can cook with any kind of oil you have in the house, like canola oil, whatever you have it in the house. That's right. And let's get started to gisa-gisa the ginger, garlic, and onion there. And don't forget to put black pepper. That's right. And also the cayenne pepper to make it spicier, whatever. And let's make it fast and furious. Daldal naman ako ng daldal. Nabubulol na ako. Charot. Thank you for watching, guys. And let's make it fast and furious. Ayan na, malapit na siyang maluto. May ginataang munggo with malunggay and isdang dalag. That's right. A salted morel fish. To make it tastier, ay partneran po siya ng plain rice para masarap. Naku, mapaparami na naman ako ng kain nito tonight. Tira sa kain ko, tarot. Papartneran ko siya with plain rice. Ping, 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 ping. With that green onion on it. Yummy, yummy. And smells so good. Smells so savory and good. Char. And that's it, guys. Finished. Thank you for watching. Appetito. With the rice. Buon appetito.